our first video, let's look at how to install OpenCV on Windows, and we're going to use Visual Studio as our IDE. We can go into this location and download the most latest distribution of OpenCV. At the time of recording, it's 4.10. We can download that. We can extract it to a particular location. I have extracted it to this location here. That we'll have to set the environment variable for this, and let's take a quick look at what we have in that location first. This is the OpenCV folder, so we're going to set that as the so yeah, this is my location, sorry, the download install location, and let's look at what we're adding is the OpenCV directory. We'll have to add this location as our environment variable. If you're not sure how to add an environment variable, let's quickly go through it. You can hit new, and you can add OpenCV underscore directory here and the path that is on the markdown file here. This is how it will look like, and you can hit OK. After that, we'll have to go back to Visual Studio, and we have a project here. I hope you already know how to create a project in Visual Studio. I'm probably not going to go through that. You can right click on the project, go to Properties, and once you're in Properties, you go to VC++ Directories, and we'll have to add the include directories and the library directories here. And the links for both of that is in here. The path for both of that is in here. Include directories contains all the header files that we need. I'll just quickly show you what's in here. Yeah, this is the include directories. These are all the things that we're including we can use, and the library directories are the actual libraries that we'll be using with our using to run the project, like access OpenCV and do various things with it. This is the library directories that we're including. We also do this additional step where we include this particular file to the linker explicitly. I'm not 100% sure on why we do that, but without doing it, it didn't work for me. So if anyone knows why that is, please let me know in the comments. And in the linker, I go into the input, and this is where we add this particular file. This D stands for debug, and without D, I think it's the release. I'm just doing the debug version, so I'm using the one with the D character here. And once all this done, there is a sample code here which will you know use OpenCV API, and we can quickly see how it works. Yeah, this is the most standard image apparently that everyone uses at the beginning to test whether OpenCV is working or not. I'll go through each of these methods, these function calls in the next videos, but since we're here, I'll quickly go through this. This is a matrix. I'm calling it image, and IM reads an image file. I have this lena.png in the same source folder. You can see it here, and I'm storing the image data in this, and this one shows an image in a window, and I've added an await key for 2 seconds, which is 2000 milliseconds, and or else it'll just quickly appear and it'll go away, and I'm just waiting so that you can see it. I'll run this once again. Yeah, it ran for 2 seconds. Yeah, I hope this was useful. Please hit subscribe. Thanks.